To help you prepare your fire safety risk assessment and to stay safe, the government have produced a number of guidance documents. Each guide relates to an area of business. For example, sleeping accommodation, places of assembly, and offices and shops, to name a few. A full set of guides are available for free. Just follow the link on this page and select the right one for your business. Each guidance document is divided into two parts. Part 1 will help you produce a basic fire risk assessment. Part 2 has more detail about the specific fire safety precautions relating to the business it has been written for. For example, the type of fire detection required, means of escape, and firefighting equipment. The guidance in these documents is intended to help you comply with the 2005 Fire Safety Order. At its heart, it intends to avoid fires, keep people safe, and protect your business.